Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got a very exciting NFT project for you called Valhalla Vacation Club. This NFT project is extremely unique and rare. They offer some very one-of-a-kind offers in this, including things outside of the metaverse. They also have a DAO called Odin's Vault, which we will get into as well. We're going to go through their roadmap, their website, and their social media, and point out the relevant facts about this project and let you know what we think about it. You'll definitely want to stick around to the end on this one. Some of the things that they're offering the community are insane. Now, with that being said, I do need to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, so anything that I do say in this video is my own personal opinion. So before investing in this project or any others, make sure you do your own research and your own due diligence and never invest more than you are willing to lose. And with that being said, we are going to get started here. In the Valhalla Vacation Club, you will always be treated as royalty. Owning a Viking will unlock a number of monthly benefits and grant you lifetime access to the club, including a stake in our DAO, Odin's Vault. Some events will be exclusive to Viking owners, whilst others will be open to all club members. And you will notice here that currently their main pre-sale is sold out. It sold out extremely quick. And some quick facts about this one: they're going to have 9,999 generated Vikings using over 250 unique traits. The main sale will be launching soon, and the minting price will be 0.065 Ethereum, and all Vikings are minted as ERC721 NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, a little bit more information on Odin's Vault here. It says for each Viking you mint, you will receive 1 share of our decentralized autonomous organization. We will fund it with 30% of all transactions and royalties. Initial funding will be 200 Ethereum. You won't have to do anything else but own a Viking to be part of our DAO. You can read more about our initial plans from our blog, but in general, 1 Viking equals 1 share in the DAO. Alright, so with their roadmap here, this is where the project gets very interesting. So starting, each milestone below marks the total amount of Vikings that have been minted after the public sale, unlocking the reward for all holders. Now, I'm going to go down here and just at 9% show you exactly how crazy this one is. So starting off strong, they've got at 9% sold, you will receive a small piece of Iceland. All Viking holders will receive a piece of a volcanic rock handpicked by the team from the currently active volcano in Iceland. We will collect address details from our Discord server, so make sure you are a member there and a Viking holder. So with that, I didn't know what to think about this. That's very unique, it's rare, and it is the first thing on their roadmap. I mean, this is what instantly pulled me into this project. So moving beyond that, at 19%, they are going to do 5 Ethereum giveaways for Vikings minted in the first 19%. Our community wallet, the Valhalla Wallet, will be funded with 5 Ethereum. The vault will be used for a variety of purposes, including the purchase of specific NFTs, supporting other artists in the space, and funding community ideas that benefit the club. We will also implement a reserve, which is a percentage of the sales, to ensure the project is self-sustainable. The vault will always be loaded and ready to be deployed. Next, they've got another amazing milestone here. So at 29% sold, 2 lucky Vikings will receive flight tickets to meet the founders in Iceland. We will go sightseeing and, of course, clubbing in the tavern. Again, another just very unique giveaway involving the community and its physical interaction. So I love when NFT projects integrate something physical with their digital product. Next, this is just another crazy milestone here. So at 39% sold, 1 lucky Viking will receive a specially handcrafted volcanic ash sword. The ash has been collected from Iceland and engraved into a sword. Truly a mind-blowing piece of art that we cannot wait to show you. I was speechless after this. I mean, they're giving away a sword just as a, being part of the project, which is just another insane milestone, and I love it. And now next at 49%, there is going to be a virtual party held in the metaverse for all Viking holders in the main village of the Valhalla Vacation Club. And next at 59%, we've got the first of many Valhalla treasure hunts. Who will be the clever Viking outsmarting Loki's encrypted clues lying here and there? So this one seems interesting. I'm curious how this one's going to play out, but I like it. And the prize for the Vikings will be 3 Ethereum, and the prize for the slaves will be a Viking NFT. So at 69%, we've got the start of Odin's Vault, and this is going to be their DAO, where 30% of all transactions and royalties will be funded into the DAO. Each of your Viking NFTs will count as 1 share in the DAO. Initial funding will be 200 Ethereum and a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT will be purchased. And finally, at 99%, it's called the Resurrection. 25 Ethereum will be raffled and distributed to 50 Viking holders. Raffles will be live streamed every week until all the winners have been raffled. We will announce a companion release as well and the roadmap 2.0. So again, a very unique and interesting roadmap. I love how much they get the community involved in this one. And next we'll move on to the team. So taking a quick look at the team here, some of them do have their own individual profiles listed, but you can go down through here and scroll through and get a little bit more of a profile on each of the members of this project. All right, and the next just mind-blowing part of this project is the carbon offset. So for each Viking minted, they are going to plant 2 trees in Iceland to reduce carbon emissions. If everything sells out with the 10,000 NFTs, that's going to be 20,000 trees planted. And I think it's just another amazing thing about this project. Finally, on their page here, they've got their FAQ, and it says when is the official launch, and it says we are already live and minting. Once the pre-sale supply runs out, which it already did, we will announce the public sale. Time will be announced later, and we will make sure that the date and time do not clash with other projects so that we can prevent high gas fees. Next, how can I mint one? When the mountain erupts and all Vikings appear from the ashes, you will be able to mint them from our website. You will need to have a crypto wallet set up, and they do recommend MetaMask to make the transaction. And it does say that they have load balancers and DDoS guards up so they can avoid issues on the website. But in case there are outages, they will recommend that you mint straight through the blockchain contract. Next, what cryptocurrency and on what network will these be on? And they mentioned this before, but all Vikings will be hosted on IPFS and forged on the Ethereum blockchain as ERC721 NFTs. Next question is, how can you get Leif Erikson? As mentioned on Twitter, one lucky minter will get Leif Erikson. If you are the one, you can message us and you will receive 1 Ethereum transferred to your wallet. If you are not the rightful owner and you are spamming us, you will get your face smashed. All right, and next we're going to take a look at their Twitter and then their Discord. So currently with their Twitter, they've got 3,100 followers and they are extremely active. They're posting multiple times a day. They're interacting with the community, they're posting giveaways, they're interacting with other NFT projects, which I personally always love to see. And you can get all the major updates here, sneak peeks, and also one announcement that I did want to show you here is they are developing a mobile game called the Viking Games Odin's Ravens. It will be a mobile game that's coming out that you can compete against other Viking holders for a grand prize. They will have more information on this on their Discord, and we are actually going to go over there now and check that out. So with the pre-sale being sold out, the minting does happen here very soon. It's going to happen on January 21st at 4 p.m. GMT. So if you're interested in this project, definitely get on this as quick as possible. Now with their Discord, they currently have almost 5,000 members on the Discord. The Discord is laid out very well. It's very well organized, and they've got some extra sections here that you can't find anywhere else. And the first one that I wanted to point out was the lore. So with this, there is definitely backstories for the whole project, and I recommend reading these if you're interested. It definitely gives the project more depth, even beyond, kind of all of the extras that they're doing for physical giveaways and milestones. These guys are extremely passionate, and I definitely recommend checking it out. And just even if you didn't mint or are not going to mint, their Discord is a great community overall. And the one last thing I wanted to say about their Discord is it is extremely active 24 hours a day. So you can just jump in here, start chatting, or just reading, whichever you'd like. And it's a great community just to interact with overall. Now we will go take a look at their blog next and just look at a few things. And then we're going to recap and let you know what we think about this project. So their Medium page here, their blog, is definitely for someone that wants to get involved in more of the lore and kind of the inner workings of the project. I like how their blog posts are structured, and I think it's a lot of information, and it again just adds more depth to the project and shows you major updates as well as just some inside stuff. Discord is definitely going to be the place for the quickest updates, but I do read their blog posts and I think they're great. So coming over to OpenSea, you can check out some of the variations of these NFTs and what you can possibly get in here. So go over to OpenSea and check that out if you are interested or want to get a little bit more information on some of the art style and some of the variations. All right, with Valhalla Vacation Club, they released a video about the trip out to Iceland to get lava rocks. I'm going to let that play in the background and let you know what I think about this project as well and what I like about it. Overall, I like the art style. I love that it's very unique, and I love their focus on giving back to the community and giving back to the investors of the project. And I also think that they're giving away just extremely unique gifts. I mean, giving away a sword, they're giving away lava rocks, a trip out to Iceland, and then on top of that, going for the carbon offset overall for each NFT sold. That is unheard of just in general with NFT projects and kind of in our world. So I really appreciate that they're doing this with the project, and it's just one aspect I think that sets them apart from other projects, and I really like it. I like that their DAO is going to be investing in blue chip NFTs as well. I think that has a lot of weight and will help them succeed overall. I'm interested to see how that one plays out, as well as their games. They've released 2 companion projects already, as well as their games. They have 2 companion projects already planned out. So I think that's amazing. I think it's going to give more value to the NFTs, and I'm extremely interested to see how the mobile NFT game will play out and exactly how you can get your Viking into the metaverse. So really interested to see where they can take this, and I'm just really excited for the project overall. All right, in closing, let us know what you think about Valhalla Vacation Club. Do you think this one's going to be the top NFT of the year? Are you going to invest in it? Do you just want some more information? Or maybe you think this one's just going to fail and go nowhere? Either way, let us know in the comments below. We would love to interact with you there. And if there's another project out there that you want us to cover, let us know and we'll get a video made on it. And again, thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe if you want more videos on NFT projects like this. And we will see you in the next one.